Oh, g'day folks. I've just put my new Adventure Kings fridge in the back of my ute. It's only a 45 litre fridge. I got that size because it's only going to be me and the wife using it. We won't need anything big. Got a fridge in our caravan as well, so this would be sort of just like a backup or a secondary fridge slash freezer. Now I bought a kit that came with the fridge, the cover, the tie down straps and some thermometer thing which you can set up so you can check the temperature. I don't think I'll use that though. It all looks pretty good. I haven't actually used it to chill anything down or used it properly. I've just set it up today, so just a couple of things I'd like to point out though. I suppose it's more of a whinge than anything else. If you look down here at the power plug, there's a little cutout section here for so you can access the controls on your fridge, the on-off switch, the power connector, and your volt automatic cut-off switch there. But what I've noticed is that the cover actually interferes with the power plug going all the way in. If you can see that there's a couple of mil gap there where that plug doesn't go all the way in. You have to pay attention to that. The second thing I'd like to point out is whilst the quality of it seems quite good and quite sturdy, and it's quite thick, I'll just show you something that I noticed. It's got a zip opening and closing setup. You can see that just there, the zipper's here. Now, I'm fortunate enough to have long arms. I'm 6'2", so I can reach in. But the zipper actually goes the wrong way in my opinion, because it slips up on the inside of the fridge. So it's actually there. Just here. On the inside of the fridge. On the inboard side. Now if it was me making this, I'd have done it on the other side so it was easier to get to. Now I've seen some with the Velcro top which opens up Velcro wise. Just lift it up this way and access the top of the fridge. But now I've got to reach in, find the zip and unzip it. And open it up and access the fridge. Now that's, in my opinion, a design flaw. If you're going to put zippers in it, put zippers in it where you can access them more easily. Now, as I told you in a previous video, I put the drawers in and I set them as far forward in the tray of my ute as I wanted. And there's about a 12-inch space between here and the back of the ute. What I failed to take into account was the fridge when I did that, because what it means now is, and it's quite a major screw up, is when I open the lid it gets caught against the top of the canopy there. Fridge slides out as far as it will go and it's still banging on there, so that is a major screw up on my part. I never gave it a second thought when I was putting the drawers in. So if you're planning to put drawers in and a fridge, make sure you put the bloody things in such that you can open your fridge door. I mean, I'm lucky enough I can still see inside the fridge and get stuff out. I can reach in there, but a smaller person would struggle. If you've got one of those lifts, fridge lifts that lifts the fridge down and out, well, all the better, but I don't. So bad luck for me. I don't fancy taking out 68 screws again and moving the drawers back. Yeah, that would be a nightmare. Anyway, I'm just going to put it away and have a think about what I'm going to do next. Okay, Adventure Kings 45 litre fridge with cover, tie down straps and a little thermometer thing. $609 it was, delivered. I actually haven't read a bad review anywhere about the Adventure Kings fridges, so I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Good afternoon folks, Brian from Northeast Outdoors channel here. Just doing a quick follow-up review or video on my Adventure Kings 45 litre car fridge. Despite what I said in my previous video, I found the fridge to be excellent. I can't complain about it in any respect. All those things I mentioned in my previous video have never really been issues. If you're considering buying one of these fridges, then I highly recommend it. Power consumption wise, it's not a problem. I had it going constantly for 2 days and didn't draw my my second battery in my car flat, but I did have it backed up with a solar panel. As far as functionality goes, I found that it chills down very quickly and reaches the set temperature quickly, especially when there's already stuff in the fridge. It's quiet. I don't know if you can hear it humming in the background there. I'll just put the camera a bit closer. And that's all the noise you'll hear out of it. I've got to say that the fridge, and I'm going to repeat myself now, despite my misgivings, is excellent. So if you're thinking about buying one, you should. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.